WordPress portfolio website, how to create. So starting in your Cloudflare, start a new website. So you can I am starting from the here. See here the new project in my fly and be local implementation. Here you click the new project. Now put here WordPress. Now need next data. So next here latest and click the here copy P, that means P WordPress portfolio. What OP, that means WordPress, and P that means to what portfolio. So WordPress portfolio website. So define here OPP create a folder here OPP. So OPP. So select the folder. Now create OK. So automatically download it here. So that means WordPress run and create a host. So open the OPP and WLDS and comment here. Okay, run, save this. So host OPP test showing the forbidden issue. So how it's happened? So comes here and check here server www.opp. So opp here is showing WordPress here, so that means WordPress is this. So just copy this and paste here, delete this. So delete the vendor. So also here make it edit and run it here and save it. When the hit the browser, so you have to not the permission showing. So now done. So creating this and creating this using password is same, all are same, as this is the trial process. So I am putting the email here. So let's close this, as this is a localhost site. So is this okay? So now after installed, so log in now. So after installed, you should install the Elementor plugin for your simple page design. So popular, install Elementor, click. So click the activate it. So go to the pages, create a page. Publish it, make it publish. So done. So come here, just reload the page. So edit with Elementor, click. So this is now completely new pages. So here you should update it here. So go to the Cloudy. So I am comment in the Cloudy here, commanding, so making this. So we should wait. So this is our application. So here we implemented this architect. So sec. So everything is here. And so this is the complete application. So we are using in our WordPress landing page. So WordPress, go to there and make a section 1 and make it duplicate, 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 duplicate. So create. Okay, sorry, maybe mistake something. So here, so this is here. So I am deleting all duplicates, making duplicate this. Duplicate, duplicate. So okay, duplicate this. So now putting this section name. So this is no need to section hero is copy section hero and come here to paste. So send to SM here, comes here, about section, copy this, come here, same for this, can be scaled, come here, same for HTML code, project, composite, next here comes the education, now on the experience, now block, come the section and put also block the last final part. So here already 2 or 3, 1 to 3, so duplicate and duplicate another part. So now paste here, now contact, now in the final part is this. So here also, so no need. So this is footer in part, different part. So this is our exit to WordPress. So I'm going to WordPress. So make it so it's going to block. So come here, the issue is maybe box. So come, when open, just click the snake box, make it grid and full white. When you provide full white, black box, full white, the issue is comes from so put here classic editor, favorite or recommended. So recommended is not, so here is put popular, here is put the classic editor, and header code, copy code. Install, activate the classic editor, go to the all pages, here also code snippet come. In the code snippet you put the footer and header and footer code. So I am copying the footer code and pasting in footer. This is header, so copy the header or number. So come ahead, number, save changes. In the pages, click edit. In the classic editor, everything is default template show, so put it the Elementor full white. So update this. Now when you visit this website, run the, so here it's showing you. So visit the pages, update the page, here comes and check. So now working fine. So make it the home page, go to the setting up reading and make it a static page, make it the home and run it. So go to the setting. Now this is the home page of our application WordPress. So this is section